so on this assignment, you are going to be doing cause and effect. Basically, the questions are asking you to take a look at the two religions, and you will be identifying causes and effects based on the question. Now, here's what you need to know. Pages 8 and 9 have your samples that you created for cause and effect. They also have the ways that you can word your topic sentence and how to put each of the, like if you have one cause, each effect should now be in its own sentence so that you can explain the significance of that. Now, here is what I gave you on each question. I told you what the cause is, and I told you what types of effects to look for. And the other one has multiple causes with one effect. As you create each of those paragraphs, make sure that you're looking at page 8 for the correct starter and format for that. So if it says that there's one cause with multiple effects, make sure that you are in that top box where it says one cause, multiple effects, and use the language that you find in that box. So you will have one of each. So make sure that you have one of each when you are in the process of doing the actual writing so that you can make sure that you've met that expectation. All right, kids, you've got this. Let us know if you have any questions. Remember, you can use your notes.